Good morning drone world, we are here live today from BAPCO 2021, which is the largest public safety conference in the UK. We're here demonstrating how this fantastic technology can be used to revolutionise the operations of police, fire and search and rescue. Today we're going to be hearing from Kyle and how he uses his aircraft to revolutionise the operations of Northamptonshire Search and Rescue.
So I've been here on the stand with copters and also talking about what we've been doing with the drones in search and rescue and how copters have helped us with getting our drone team formed and with the training as well. So they've been able to mean that we can search larger areas a lot quicker and we've been able to locate missing people in a much shorter time frame than what we would have previously, just because we've not had to wait for NPAS and things like that to search those large areas like they would have done traditionally, and the drone's just so much easier. It's lighter, well, it's lightweight should I say. It's just easy to throw in a bag, take it into a field and pop it straight up.
Today's first story comes from Britain's very own Royal Mail, where they're using drone technology in order to reduce carbon emissions during their postal run. The Mail is being carried by a UK-built unmanned aircraft named the Ultra, which can carry up to 100 kilograms of post. Nick Landon, Chief Commercial Officer at Royal Mail, has said the trialling of the drone technology is just one of the ways we are supporting our post men and women to deliver amazing service while reducing our carbon emission. If successful, the Royal Mail will trial the new system across the UK. Last in today's news, India's drone industry could become a multi-billion-dollar industry within the next year. If you're a fan of the show, you've probably heard about how India have been using drones in innovative ways to change the operations within the country. But they're also going to be working on making the aircraft more widespread in 2022. The chair of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce, Rajan Luthra, said certified drone pilots will be more than 5,000, including commercial and military, by 2025 in India, due to the easing of drone regulations by the DGCA. 2022 will be the year in which the hockey stick up curve in large-scale drone usage in India will happen, upon the strong foundation of the Drone Rules 2021, the UTM policy, a draft policy of the UAV traffic management ecosystem. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Good Morning Drone World. Tune in next week to hear more on all things drone.